Don't cancel your 3D print if your support fails. Today, I'm going to show you how to save them. I was using tree supports and I had a support failure. As long as the support hadn't yet made contact with the model, I could try to figure out a way to save it. Then it hit me. A cheap, useful toy most all parents who have kids have in their home might be the solution. Play-doh, a flexible, pliable material you can attach to any model. You remember your first engineering experience because your parents were too cheap to get you a 3D printer? Now, if the failure happens later in the print, you'll have to figure out a way to wrap the Play-Doh around the model without knocking the model loose from the print bed. If it happens early, you can attach the Play-Doh to the print bed. Just make sure the Play-Doh doesn't exceed the height of your last completed layer. Here, I'm using Play-Doh to repair an internal support that broke and making sure that it is flush with the last completed layer by using any flat surface. Be careful not to apply too much pressure that knocks the model off of the print bed, and make sure the Play-Doh doesn't overlap onto the model that isn't part of the support that you're trying to repair. It's okay if the extruder makes contact with the Play-Doh. Just keep an eye on the first several layers to make sure the extruder doesn't drag Play-Doh onto other parts of the model. And as you can see, a successful repair led to a successful model. Watch our video, save a 3D print if your filament runs out or jams.